How to refund Google Play subscription. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To refund your Google Play subscription, you need to open up a preferred browser in your device. Now over here, firstly, you can check out Request a Google Play refund. You can type in how to refund Google Play subscription or just search for support.google.com. Now right over here, you need to firstly confirm you are not a robot. Now the process begins with requesting for your refund. Click on the continue button, then confirm your account. Once you do this, now if you have any of the purchase, it will be right over here, that is your subscription. Now if you do not have, just like me, it won't be visible over here. However, if you have a subscription over here, you can just type in a dialog box. You can just type in that you wish to get a refund. Now you can mention your account name, also the day of purchase if you can. You might see similar dialog box where you can add additional details. Now Google Play will get thoroughly regarding your application, and if it is possible, then you might receive your refund. That's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.